this video, we will demonstrate how Rolljak can be used to elevate and make coding workshops an unforgettable journey for your participants. With Rolljak, you can create coding challenges that align with your workshop's objectives. From debugging exercises to algorithmic puzzles, Rolljak's versatility allows you to craft engaging quizzes. Whether your workshop is held in person or virtually, Rolljak ensures effortless accessibility. Participants can join from their devices, making engagement possible anytime, anywhere. Rolljak enables real-time assessment through auto-scoring quizzes. Gauge participants' understanding instantly and guide their learning journey effectively. Visualize coding concepts with Rolljak's sketch-based activities. Encourage participants to illustrate their coding ideas, fostering creativity and a deeper understanding of coding principles. With Rolljak, you're not just organizing a coding workshop. You're creating an immersive experience that nurtures learning and collaboration. Try Rolljak now and embark on a coding adventure like never before. Get rolling with Rolljak!